Turkey, America's favorite feast, especially on the day of Thanksgiving. But guess what? When you're a diabetic, it should be Thanksgiving for you every day because you're gonna like turkey. I'm gonna talk about turkey so much today that you're gonna be a turkey guy. Just like me, I'm from Turkey. Doesn't make me gobble gobble, but guess what? We changed our name. Now it is Turkey, yeah. So you cannot call us a bird anymore, right? Well, first of all, I'm a United States citizen, but my background is Turkish, so don't get me wrong, I'm still an American first. Well, here it is. We eat 5 billion pounds of turkey. That's like each person chowing down on a generous 16 pounds a year. Twice as much as people that ate turkey like 50 years ago. Now, turkey has cemented its place as a delicious and healthy alternative to red meat, right, in many recipes. Now, the red meat eaters, I don't know what's wrong with them, but they keep writing nasty messages in my YouTube videos. So if you're that nasty, go do it somewhere else. Don't just throw me stones. You know, I know red meat actually, they say you are what you eat. So those people are generally very aggressive. I don't know what's wrong with them. But here it is. We have some juicy stuff for you today. Turkey is very nutritional, right? It's packed with protein. It supports your body building, right? Repairing your bones, your muscles, all that good stuff. Did you know that it is a fantastic source of essential vitamins and minerals like magnesium and niacin? Cool, right? And here's the juicy part, real juicy part. Turkey might just be your secret weapon in reducing the risk of certain cancers. I always tell you, right, because of insulin resistance and too much insulin, diabetics and pre-diabetics are at risk, 2 to 3 times higher risk of developing any type of cancer. And guess what? Studies suggest that selenium found abundantly in turkey could play a role in warding off bladder cancer, breast cancer, lung cancer, stomach cancers. We'll talk more about the benefits, but let's touch on the part that is most pertinent to my diabetics. And you guessed it right. Well, that's a no-brainer. It's a low glycemic food, right? That means no crazy blood sugar spikes. Unless you eat the whole turkey, then yeah, I always tell the rule is 5 to 1. So if you're eating 50 grams of protein, that's going to be equal to 10 grams of carbs in terms of how much it can spike your blood sugar. If you are eating 200 grams of protein divided by 5, that's around 40 grams of carbs, which can still spike your blood sugar. So don't complain saying that I eat protein, my blood sugar still goes up, which doesn't happen immediately, but 2 to 3 hours later it will happen. And that's because you think that the proteins are free and eating the whole chicken is not going to help you. So anyhow, if you have diabetes or pre-diabetes, adding turkey to your diet will help to keep blood sugar under control because protein also slows down overall spikes unless you eat too much, like I said. Now, when it comes to dining with diabetes, you don't really need to endure a plate like piled with nothing but lettuce and stuff like that. You need to partner it with turkey. You're going to have not just a lot of protein, but a good taste, especially if you pair it with Brussels sprouts. Now, those little green orbs of happiness right there, great place to start. I know some of you are probably hating that vegetable, but I'm going to make you like it. They are low in carbs, right? They are high in fiber, making them ideal for your agenda. Now, imagine to jazz it up with some dash of olive oil, a sprinkle of sea salt, a squeeze of lemon. Ooh, it's going to be so tasty. But hold on to your forks, folks. There's more. You are feeling adventurous, right? Why not try a cauliflower mash next to it? It's like a mashed potato, but it is cool, low-carb cousin. It has velvety texture with a fraction of carbs, right? Let's not forget also, what? Classic side of green beans, right? A dish that is as joyful to say as it is to eat. So even with diabetes hanging around like an uninvited party guest, you can still have a plate that is as delicious as it is nutritious, even on a Thanksgiving day. So bon appetit. Now, what else? Turkey is also a heart-healthy champion too. With its low GI profile, it can boost those good HDL cholesterol levels in your body. And also reduce the LDL, which is the nasty cholesterol, right? That clogs your arteries, increase the risk of heart attack and stroke. So keep the HDL up, LDL low, and turkey helps for that. It's going to help you to keep your ticker in top shape. Now, folks, brace yourself for a nugget of wisdom too. There's some research right out there, some my research, but they are disapproving to look at that juicy red meat, linking it to all sorts of things like diabetes, cancer, you name it. You can believe whatever you want. You know, I'm not judging you, right? But the meat has been on the spotlight. You can call it this guy is paid or this industry is paid, whatever. If you are a real research person, if you do the real research, you will find a ton of research about how red meat can actually harm you. And they're not paid, believe me. So, poultry, for example, is a very good alternative. There's research about that too. They compare people who eat poultry versus meat, and they see much better results with people eating poultry than the red meat. So what are you gonna say? Who paid that study, right? So it's head-to-head comparison. But I'll tell you what. If you are in a pickle about your protein sources, maybe it is time to give a chef salute to some organic chicken or turkey. It's like getting the best parking spot at a crowded mall. You get all the goodness without the risks. But that's not all. Did you know that turkey is also part of the incredible mind diet? What do I mean by mind diet? It's an amazing diet that was designed by scientists to prevent mental decline like Alzheimer's disease or other forms of dementia. So gobble up the turkey at least twice a week and keep your memory and thinking skills sharp as a tack. Of course, we can't forget about the nutritional benefits. Let's talk about this. It is loaded with so many vitamins and minerals like choline, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, selenium, vitamin B6, B12, even zinc. Talk about a nutritional powerhouse. Now, let's talk about serving size, right? So you want to keep it around 3 to 4 ounce serving of a roasted turkey and try not to have the skin. Packs around 145 calories. Now, you can have the skin, don't get me wrong, if you don't have a lot of cholesterol problems or if you are not trying to lose weight, etc. But you can get the protein around 25 grams from just 3 to 4 ounce. And the best part, again, it is 0 carbs, 0 sugar. It's a guilt-free feast. And for my pals with psoriasis, listen up. Turkey has a good amount of tryptophan, an amino acid that is recommended. So go ahead and indulge while taking care of your skin. Remember, turkey is the go-to option for a healthy and delicious meal. So if you're thinking about what am I going to eat tonight or for today's lunch, think turkey. Just keep an eye on those portion sizes. Don't try to eat the whole chicken or whole turkey, right? Stick to the recommended 3 to 4 ounce serving and you'll be good. It's around the size of a deck of cards, right? So, happy gobbling. I'm sure you will be happy and healthy after switching to turkey. Talk to you soon. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this channel so far and I hope you subscribed already. If you didn't, do it. And if you did, watch this video right there. I think that will help you too.